Apart from all the fishing and the bushwalking and the beaches, the next best activity that you and your family can do is explore the pristine lake of Durras by hiring one of our kayaks. So whether it's for 2 hours or the whole day, these Hobie kayaks are available for hire. The Hobie kayaks are the best kayaks available, and they come with all the safety gear, life vests, paddles, everything you and your family need for a great day out on the water. This is going to be so much fun. Down the lake's so easy. The kayak comes with its own 2 wheels, one-handed, and off I go. See you guys.